Hmm. Why we are getting this one? Header type, content type JSON dot application body. In the raw data only we are selecting, right? Here the text is what? 1 minute, guys. Something goes wrong. Our API is not executing. Why? Anyone suggestion? Can you give this? Try to check up. Yeah, Krishna, I already checked. Okay, there or not. Oh yeah, that is there, that is there. I already checked it. Now see that here, Spring MVC, right? Yes, I checked already. Okay, at the rate rest controller I applied, at the rate request mapping, this one also fine, this one also fine only, this one also fine. Employee rest controller. Yes, Khagesh bhaiya, model class also fine. Model class also fine only. No problem, Khagesh bhaiya, everything is fine here. 1 minute, 1 minute, we will check it now again. Okay, so let's do one thing, okay na? 1 minute, guys. Just 1 minute. Give 1 minute time, okay? So what I'm going to do now, public, what is that? Public response entity string. I'm taking a string. What is that? Just I'm taking get data, okay? So nothing more than else, okay na? So string, no. Just response entity, just a string. 1 minute, guys. Something goes wrong only. That's it. Okay. Okay, one more time. I'm going to run this application. Okay, wait it, guys. This is the project implementation. Okay, na. This is the even this is the this project also become long. Okay, na. Because of that, we are getting nothing more than else. Everything till now, everything is going fine, na. So here also will go fine only. Okay. No, Khagesh bhaiya, media type is there, right? In the application, at the rate request body I taken, right? Media type annotation, because we are sending that data, right? Okay, no problem. If inside this method, if any problem is there, right, then this method is just normal method, na? This method will execute it. Okay, if then we will think about that, ki what is the problem is there in this API, right? First let's see that. Okay na, this execution. Oh, okay, I'm stopping my screen sharing, guys. Okay na, just Copy this one, come here, just paste it here. After the MVC slash, what is that? This one. After then, what is that? Just so, right? This method is there, right? Inside this one. Yeah, so. Okay, and this one is, let's make this one as a, sorry, sorry, make is a, hey, why our, we are not, okay, so do one thing, okay? Copy this one, send a request from the browser, okay? Why our API, REST API is not 404, we are getting the error. At least this method should,
Ravi, after REST MVC,
sorry,
after REST EMP, we need to pass MVC also, right?
I passed, right? See here, MVC, after this one.
Okay. Before REST.
Yeah, everything is fine now, but still, why our application is giving like this problem? Hmm. Okay. 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. Don't worry. This is the show, right? This one is working. This page, this controller is working. The show, right? After MVC, show method is there. Okay, this one is working now. So what I'm going to do now, the UI controller is there, right? Just in the UI controller, also at the rate request mapping. Okay, request mapping, inside that I'm taking the common employee, EMP, right? Here I'm taking the employee. Okay, employee, I'm taking here also employee. Okay, fine. And here what I take in, rest EMP, na, rest EMP. Okay, so one more time I'm running this application. Okay, no, but at the rate rest controller request mapping. Oh shit. Sorry for that, guys. Sorry. Our mistake only. Okay. Our mistake only. Okay, na. Why we are writing already rested? Oh, okay, na. Just I'm copying. Just same class. Okay, guys. I'm copying this one, and already controller package is there, right? Why we have need? Oh, our mind is not working here. Okay, paste it inside this one. Okay, na. And no need. Delete this package and folder everything. Okay, guys. Sometimes these things is happen, guys. Okay, these things is happen, don't worry. Okay, now this is only car challenges one. Whenever you will face the interview, in the interview, tell me any challenges you faced. Okay, now tell me any challenges you faced. Yeah, I faced this one only, right? Okay, now open it. Okay, now open it. Now it will work. Now it will work, guys. Okay, so let's run one more time. Okay, now let's run one more time application. Sometimes these things is happen, guys. Okay, now don't bother about that. Now finish it. I have already controller package. What is the need to take again another? Okay. Okay. So now fine. What? 1 minute. I'm stopping my screen sharing, guys. Okay. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Now, so now, okay. See that. I think in this time it will work, guys. Okay. In this time, definitely it will work. MVC, right? MVC slash so, right? MVC slash what is that? Rest slash what is that? Rest EMP, right? Rest EMP slash what is that? Slash SHO. So, hit it. See, we are getting the result high, Ravi, right? Means our API is started to work. Okay, sometimes these things is happened, guys. Okay, na? Mind only, right? Mind only. Sometimes it's not working, guys. Okay, na? So let's. Okay. Okay, so now fine, guys. Now our API is started to work. Now come inside that. Okay, na? Come inside that. Where we will go now? Employee rest. Okay, na? Employee rest. Okay, so what we will do now? Just I'm going to delete it. No need this one. Okay, na? No need. Okay, na? Our target is this API, this method, right? Our target is this method. Okay, so what we will do now? Come here. Okay, come here. Okay, so fine, guys. Here, what is that? So right. So save, right? Save. Okay, and which kind of methodology we are using? Post type, right? Come to body section, already data is there, right? Already data, send it, right? Send it. Yeah, guys, see that employee save successfully, right? ID number is what? Same, right? Seven, right? 7. Okay, so come to database, just refresh it. Okay, see ID number 7, male, this one India Pushpendra, and this is the ID. Now the thing is completed, guys. Okay, na? Now the save. Okay, na? Mind is there, yeah. Okay, na? Sometime it's not working. Okay, otherwise okay, so let it be. Okay, na? Sorry for that. Okay, na? It's taking near about too much time. 15 to 20 minutes we wasted, right? Because of the small things. Okay, na? Because of the small things. Okay, na? 20 minutes we wasted. Okay, guys, no problem. Okay, let's move on. Okay, so based on that, see, we got the message or not? Employee save successfully 7. ID number 7, guys. Okay, na? So means save operation we completed, right? Save operation we completed. Okay, come here. Okay, na? Come here. What is that? Save operation now, guys, we completed. Like that we are writing in the rest. What is that? What is that? In the rest, wherever we are writing the rest controller. Okay, na? If error will come, this message we will get it. Okay, na? If error will come, this message we will get. Okay, na? Internal server error. Okay, na? If successfully our API is executing successfully, this is the logic, guys. Okay, na? This is message we are getting now. Okay, so now let's, what is that? Fetch all employee. Okay, no, I want all employee database employee data in the JSON format, right? In the JSON format, this data I want in the JSON format, guys. So for that, okay, come here. Okay, na? Come, let's write one API. Let's write one API, guys. Okay, na? So now I'm going to write it. Okay, na? Concentrate. I'm going to write it now, guys. Okay, na? See that. Okay, na? See that. These are the, guys, these are the real things. Okay, na? These, whatever things we are doing here, everything is a real only, and these things I implemented in the project also. Okay, now those things I'm delivering to you people, guys. Okay, those things only I'm delivering to you people. Okay, fine. Now, guys, so let's fetch all data, right? So for that, what is that? Let's write one method. Okay, now, so okay, now, so let's write it. Okay, so now what is that? Now I'm going to write one public. What is that? Public, what is that? Response entity, right? Response entity. Okay, guys, here what is that generic type I'm taking, guys? What is that generic type? I'm taking a string, right? String I'm taking. Okay, na? String I'm taking, but I will tell. Okay, na? I'm going to take, what is that? Here question mark. Okay, na? That is means in this is called, what is that? Generic type inference, right? Here what is that? I'm going to take, what is that? Oh, sorry, where? Yeah, here I'm going to take, what is that? Question mark. This is called inference. Okay, generic type inference. Okay, na? At the runtime it will decide which kind of data we will take. Okay, na? We will take which kind of data. Okay, na? Why I'm taking now, I will explain. First, let give the time to write, what is that? API. First give the time to write the API, then I will explain again why I'm taking the question mark, guys. Okay, na? Why I'm taking the question mark here. Okay, now so what is that? Get all employee, right? Employee, get all employee. Fine guys, so I want to get what is that? Employee. So now what I'm going to do, return, just I'm taking return null, right? I'm returning null. Okay, fine now guys. So but which kind of, just we have need to fetch all data, right? Fetch all data. So for that, what is that? Get mapping. We will take the get mapping. Okay, so now what is that? What is that? All, right? Slash all, I'm taking what is that? So slash all URL. Okay, okay, so now fine guys. Okay, fine now. Okay, so let's move on. Okay, so now fine guys, come here. Okay, now I will explain why I'm writing. Okay, now why I'm writing, this is the generic type, and this is called what is that? Inference. It is introduced in JDK 1.5. Generic type is introduced in 1.5 Java 1.5 version. Okay now, so I will explain guys. Wait it until unless if I'm not completing my what API, then till now wait it. Okay now, till now wait it. Okay, so fine, let's move on. Let's move on and we will see that. Okay now, so for that, what is that? Response, I'm taking what is that? Response entity, right? Response entity. Here response entity, again I'm taking the question mark only guys. Okay na, res. Okay, equal to null, I'm taking the null. Okay, fine now guys. Okay, so now try and a catch, right? I'm using the try catch block. Why? Because if any exception will come, for that we have need to show the end user error also, right? Because of that I'm taking try catch block here. Okay guys, so now fine guys. So fine. So but here what is that? If we fetch the all data, right? If we fetch the all data from what is that guys? Database, means this is the list of data, right? This is the list of objects. Okay, fine guys, this is the list of objects. So for that, what is that? What we will do now? Already in the service class method is there. So what is that? We will call the service method service dot get all, right? Get all employee. Okay, so this method will return what? A list of employee, right? List of, what is that? List of employee. Okay, list of employee guys. Okay, so list of employee. Fine, so fine. Okay, list of employee. Now fine guys. Okay, so okay, fine now. So after then, what is that? What we will do now guys? So here what is that? Okay, see that, concentrate. I am going to give conclusion of about that. We are there on that stage only. I'm going to give about this question mark conclusion guys. Concentrate on that. Okay na, concentrate on that. Why I wrote question mark. Okay na, so for that, what I'm going to take? Res. Okay na, res equal to what is that? New what is that? Response, right? Response entity guys. Okay na, response entity. Here what is that? What is the return type? List of employee, right? So here we will take the generic type of what is that? List of employee guys. Okay na, list of employee. Okay, list of employee, generic type I'm using. Previously we are taking the string, but now I'm taking the list of employee. Okay, so fine now guys. Okay, so here what we will do now, in the body position, what is that? List we are taking. After then, what is that? HTTP status code I'm taking, right? HTTP status code. Okay, okay, I'm taking the okay guys. Okay na, so for that, okay, now fine guys. So see that. Okay, so but come here. If 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 uh, we uh, uh, if we are unable to fetch the data, right? If our API is unable to fetch the data, means then exception will come, right? At that time, some message we have need to give the end user, right? Some message we have need to give the end user. So for that what we will do now guys? Res equal to request response, right? Response entity. Here I'm taking what is that? String, right? String. Inside that, what I'm going to do now? What I'm going to write? Unable to fetch data, right? Unable to fetch data, right? Data. After then, what is that? Data. After then, http request, right? Oh sorry, http status. I'm giving the http status internal problem guys, right? Internal problem. Okay, internal server problem, right? internal server problem, we are giving the message to end user. Okay, so fine. Now I'm going to give the conclusion, guys. Okay, na, about the question mark. Here, what I'm going to return now, guys? RES. Okay, na. What I'm going to return now? See, boss. If exception is coming, if our API is executing, what is that? What is that? Successfully, right? So what is the generic type? List, right? Then the generic type will become, what is that? List here. But if exception, if we are taking here list, return type here list, right? So if error is coming, then our API will give the error or not, error or not. So means, okay, so if successfully, then here it will, if we are taking the list of generic type of list of employee, then at the time of getting error string, here generic type as string, then again our API will fail, guys. Okay, now. So okay, think about that. Okay, so if not successful, then here what is that? Need string, right? Here need string. If successful, need list, right? If not successful, here need a string. So we don't decide, we are not able to decide it, right? We are not able to decide it in which situation, which kind of generic type we will get. Because of that, we are taking, okay, na, question mark. It will decide at a runtime. It will decide, question mark means it will decide at a runtime which generic type we have need. Okay, na. Because of that, I taken question mark. I hope I am able to convince you people. Use the chat box, guys. If anybody having still doubt about the question mark, I will explain again. Use the chat box, guys. Use everyone. Okay, na. How many members are there? Please use the chat box. Only 2 members. Okay, leave it. Only 2 to 3 members. Okay. I want everyone a response. Okay, na, based on your response, I can guess it. Who is listening properly session? Okay. Okay, fine, guys. Okay, let it be. Let it be. So now the thing is completed, guys. Okay, na? Now things is completed. Here, what I'm going to do now? Here, what I'm going to do now? Again, e dot print stack, right? Print stack. Okay, na? Message. I'm going to write what is e dot print stack. Okay, na? Print stack. Okay, na? Error message stack. We will see the on the console. Okay, na? So now, okay, guys, let's run our application. Okay, na? Let's run our application and we will see that. Okay, na? Here again I will give the conclusion about some more things is there about the list, guys. Okay, na? Diagrammatically things also I'm going to give you people. Okay, don't worry about that. Okay, each and everything, guys, how I'm analyzing the things in the project, I will put, or I will inject everything in your mind. Okay, now just concentrate on the session and listen properly, and what is that, implement it. Okay, now implement it. Okay, so now copy this one, guys. Copy this one, come here. Okay, now come here. Okay, so now here already, right? Here already. So what is that? Come here, come here. Where what is the method name? Get all, right? What is the method name, guys? What is that? Oh, this one now. This one. Okay, this one. Okay, all, right? All. Okay, so come here. Okay, come here. Come here. Where? In the postman. Okay, so here write the all. Okay, na? Here which kind of methodology we will take? Get type. Okay, na? Now send it. See that, see that, guys. How many data is there? Those many JSON data is came. Okay, na? Those many data JSON data is came here. Okay, na? Those many JSON data is came, guys. Okay, na? So this is the list of, what is that, employee, right? This is the list of employee, guys. Okay, na? So so means you want to, you want, what is that? See, one row. Okay, na? Come here. Yeah, this is the all employee data, guys. Okay, na? So what is the execution flow, guys? Okay, na? What is the execution flow, guys? Let's see that. Okay, na? As a diagrammatically. Okay, na? I will show each and everything, guys. Okay, so don't worry. So now this is the list of, what is that? That is the See, this is the list of employee JSON data, guys. Okay, na? This is the list of what? Employee JSON data. Okay, so now fine. So come here, come here, come as a diagrammatically. What is that? So think about that. This is the database. Okay, na? This is the database. Okay, so this is the database, and what is that? This is the list, right? This is the list collection. Okay, na? So inside that, what happening? One row, right? If one row record is there, one row record is there, one row record is there, right? This one row record is becoming inside that list what? One object, one object, right? So come here, means this is the what is that? This is the one object, guys. Okay, na? This is the one object. Okay, na? This is the one object. Okay, na? Okay, so fine, guys. Okay, now come here. Okay, again come here. Okay, na? So here, if another row is there, another row object is there, these things is becoming what? Another one more is there, right? One more, another one more object in the list, inside the list collection, right? Inside the list collection. Okay, inside the list collection, same like, if think about that, if think about that, there is no row, right? Think about there is no row, means there is there is no, what is that? There is no object inside that list. Okay, man, this is called, what is that? Zero size. Zero size. Zero size, right? Zero size list. This is the zero side list. Inside, in this situation, which kind of result we will get, guys? Just open this bracket. Okay, now this bracket, you want to see that? Okay, now just I'm going to delete it. Okay, now I'm going to delete this record, guys. Okay, now just I'm deleting this record. Okay, yeah, I'm deleting from the database. Okay, now I'm deleting those record in the from the database. Now I'm saving now. Okay, na? There is no record. Okay, na? So come here. Okay, na? Come here on the postman. Okay, na? Just make the request. See, empty, right? Empty. See, empty list we are getting. There is no data. Okay, na? So now, okay. So what you will do now? Just ID 20. I'm taking the 20 ID, right? Here 20, because okay, 20. After then gender male, right? Male. Oh, sorry. Male. After then address something. Okay, na? Anything. I'm just taking country India. India. Employee name. Just I'm taking Ravi. Okay, here employee password 1234 something. Okay, na? This is the employee password. Now I'm saving this one. Okay, now refresh it. One record is there, na? One record is there. Just make the request. One JSON data is came or not? Same day things. Okay, na? See that. If one more record, if we add another one more curly bracket here, one more record will. This is called, what is that? List of JSON employee data, right? List of JSON employee. If you want this data, if you want this data in what, we in which format? XML format, right? If you want this data in what is that? XML format, guys. So for that, what you will do now, guys? Come to header part, right? Come to header part. Okay, now here accept type, what is that? Application slash, what is that? Application slash XML, right? XML. Okay, just take this one and send this. Oh, what is that? 40 not accepted. Okay, why? It's saying that not acceptable. All right, application. I applied, right? I applied that annotation on the top of employee, right? Yeah, employee XML root is there. Okay, binding root. Okay, why it's saying that like this, guys? 1 minute. Hey, why this is? What is the problem? Not accepted. It's saying that not accepted. Why? Okay guys, leave it. Okay, now we will see that later. Okay, now but the thing like this only, the thing is like this only. Okay, now I don't know why this one. Okay, no problem, I will check it now. I will check it now. Okay, now let's don't waste the time. Let's move, see another methodology also, right? Another methodology also we will work on that. Okay, now later. Okay, so now fine. Okay, so what is that? Fetch one by id. Okay, see boss, until whatever things I'm explaining in the last session, right? uh, till now, initial session onward, those things only I'm implementing in the project only. By the, I'm showing that what is that, how we are using those things in the real only, right? Real only. So now request parameter, path parameter. Let's talk about request parameter and a path parameter. So okay, fine. Now fetching one record. Okay, now so for that I want to fetch what? Only one record. Okay, so for that what we will do now guys, what we will do now? Okay, let's write public. What is that? Public response entity, right? Response entity. Okay, so response entity, right? Response entity, again we will take the question mark here. Okay, response entity, what is that? Fetch one data. Just I'm taking why, just one, I'm taking one data. Okay, so for that what is that? What is that? Just I'm taking what is that? Get mapping at the rate get mapping. Okay, na? Get mapping. Okay, so slash, what is that? What I'm going to do now? Slash one. Here I'm taking slash one, and a dynamic we will take the id we will take the dynamic only, right? We will send the dynamic data id. Okay, from there. Okay, so just what we will do now? Return 1 minute. Return null. Okay, na? Return null. Fine guys. So after then what we will do now? Here I'm going to take what is that? Path variable, right? Path variable at the rate path variable, right? At the rate path variable. Inside that I'm going to take this id, right? Now id. Okay, so after then what is that? Integer id. Okay, so fine. Now till now the thing is fine guys. Okay, so now again write it. What is that? Response entity, right? Response entity. Okay, now again in the what is that? I'm taking the question mark. Okay, now what is that? Res equal to null. Res equal to null. Okay, fine. Now guys, so again I'm taking what is that? Try. Here what is that? Catch block. Okay, na? Inside that catch block, what I'm going to do now? What I'm going to do now? What is that? What is that? Response entity, right? Response entity. No, still no need. Okay, na? No need. First we have need to write the logic inside the catch block. Okay guys. Okay, so fine guys. Okay, so what is that? One record we need, right? So service service dot, what is that? Get one record, right? Get one object. Okay, na? Based on that get object, one object, what we will do now? We will pass this id. Okay, we are passing this id. Okay, na? This one will return what is that? One employee object. Employee, right? Emp. Fine, now the thing is fine. Okay, so after then what we will do now guys? Okay, res equal to new response entity, right? Response entity. Here what we will take the generic type guys? Employee, right? Here we are taking the generic type employee. Okay, so fine. Now okay, inside that what is that? Emp. We will pass the body inside that emp. After then http status. Okay, right? Okay, so fine, the thing is completed. Till now the thing is completed guys. Inside that catch block, okay, come inside that res equal to new what is that? Response entity, right? Response entity. Here I'm taking just a string. Here just I'm taking the string. Okay, na? So here what is that? Again I'm writing what is that? Enable unable to fetch data, right? Fetch data, fine. So here what I'm going to do now, guys, what I'm going to do now, http status, okay na, http status internal server internal problem, right? Internal server problem, right? Internal server problem, that's it. This message we will get on the browser. Okay, so now here again, yeah, fine. Here e dot print stack, right? E dot print stack. Okay, so now return, just return here, what is that? Just return res, okay na, just return this one. Okay, so now let's run the application and we will see this one. Okay, also we will see this one also. Oh, I'm stopping the screen sharing, guys. Okay na, after running the application again I will share it. Yeah, okay, come here. Okay na, get type, right? Get type, but the method is what? Come here in the employee controller, right? What is that? What is that? One and id, what is that? Any data is there? Yeah, 20, right? 20, one object is there, right? 20, id number 20. Okay na, so for that, okay, so what is that? Come here. Okay, come here. Okay, get type here, what is that? Here we will take what? One slash, okay na, just 20, id I'm taking 20 now.